Hello, I'm Josh, and welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to learn English vocabulary verbs. Let's get started. Aspire. Aspire means to hope or desire something. It is something you want to achieve or accomplish in life. Someone could aspire to be an engineer or even a business owner. Example: he aspired to own his own coffee shop. Divulge. Divulge means to reveal or tell, usually a secret. When something is divulged, it comes as a surprise to the other person. A person can divulge their feelings about another person or divulge a secret. Example: she divulged that her friend was getting married. Emulate. Emulate means to copy or imitate. When a person emulates something or someone, they are trying to reproduce it. A kid growing up might emulate their favorite athlete so they can be successful like them. Or a person can emulate something like artwork. Example: she emulated a painting from her favorite artist. Halt. Halt means to stop or suspend. Something usually comes to a halt. Halt is often used to describe a temporary situation. Example: traffic was halted on the expressway. Marooned. Marooned means to be left or stranded somewhere. It's usually a hopeless situation that you can't get out of. Example: he was marooned on the island after the storm. Let's recap what we learned today. Growing up, he aspired to play professional soccer. He emulated his favorite player every day. Unfortunately, his dream came to a halt when his parents told him to get a job instead. However, he was determined to play soccer and did not want to be marooned in his small hometown. Eventually, he was recruited to play professional soccer and divulged to his parents he would be pursuing his passion. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I encourage you to use the vocabulary you learned today the next time you practice your English speaking or writing. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on learning English. And let me know in the comments below what vocabulary word you liked best.